Hello and welcome to Affordable Backyard University, where you will confidently learn how to purchase backyard home improvements the right way. Come with us this week as we skedaddle across the Metroplex so you can see how we turned this into this. And all that's coming to you next on Affordable Backyard Construction University. Hey, before we get started, could I ask you a favor? Hey, we love you, but all we ask is that you like us, so click the like button if you like what you see coming up. Also, if you'd like to be on the inside track, if you'll click subscribe, then every week you'll automatically get the newest video. So, one last thing, if there's a topic you'd like to see covered, having to do with backyard projects like what we feature, hey, put it in the comments and we'll try to get to it. These folks wanted a covered patio, but they also wanted an area out in the yard where they could do a fire pit and other things to enjoy their yard. This job's got three parts: pour concrete, build a pergola, and then epoxy coat that concrete. So let's start with the concrete and begin that with, this is the reason I'm not a famous Hollywood movie producer. I couldn't find the actual photos of this concrete pour being formed or poured, so I borrowed some for another job because the mechanics would be the same. So as you can see, the site's been graded so that the water drains away from the foundation of the house when it rains. You can see that the steel's been laid in the hole, and you can see the post for those piers. Let's look at them a little closer. Here is a great shot of that 3/8" rebar. You can see how it's tied together on 16" centers, and then it's got that plastic high chair that holds it up in the mix when we pour it. Here is a great shot of those 12" by 18" deep holes that will support the piers. If you look close, you can see the steel reinforcing inside the holes. Once that concrete's cured, you bust all the forms loose, clean up the mess you made, which you do. Then you acid wash the heck out of that concrete, and then you epoxy coat it. Looks good, doesn't it? Yes, that's right. I used my shoe cam to get you this picture so I can describe what it is. This pergola is supported by the house itself and two 6x6 cedar posts. The beams are 4x12. Those pretty supports there between the beam and the roof, they're 4x6s. The ridge beam and the joists, which you cannot see, are 2x8 pine, and they're covered up by that beautiful tongue and groove. The roof is 7/16 OSB roof decking with a synthetic underlay on top and composite, good 130-mile-an-hour shingles, and that stain is Ready Seal pecan. You know what that music means. It's time to take one last really good look. Let's get in the car and get out of here and go look at the next one. Pick a topic, click on it, and get started.